What's going on, YouTube? We got a package, finally. We get inside the box. Wow, it's here. Oh, I hit y'all, sorry. Look at that, y'all. It is here. Finally, a little compact thing. Check this out. Let's see what we got. Nothing else in there. Alright. My box is caved in. I can tell you that. Looking at it right now. She's caved in a little bit. Come out there, boy. Come out there, boy. Come on out there, boy. Alright. There she is. That is nice looking. That is nice. And it's got a nice feel to it. It's like a leather feeling almost. Kind of nice. Wow. Okay. Okay. First impressions is this thing looks good. Wow. This thing looks better in person than I thought. I'll say that. I know it looked good, it was nice, but in person this thing looks, wow, this thing looks good. Shock, ooh, that shock don't feel great. Yeah, that shock does not feel great. I have to look at that. This shock feels great. This shock does not feel great. This shock feels great. This shock feels great. This shock does not feel great. Yeah, it's coming around now. I don't know. Anyway, let's check underneath here, boys and girls. See what it's under here. I mean, you guys have seen this many times, so I'm not going to sit here and go through this detail and this detail and this detail. I mean, and you've also seen it right here in the limited edition one. And you've also seen it right here in the purple one that I turned Street Basher. So, I mean, so I'm not going to do that to y'all. We're going to check it out, though. That we are going to do. There's that. Matter of fact, I'm going to check this right now because this is one thing I was concerned about because we got some of, where'd it go? Oh, I don't know where that one went, but here's another one right here. So, we got some new Black Series CNHL lipos, 3S, for this specific reason. And I'm trying to figure it out. Am I going to be up? Oh, yes. I'll be able to get her in there, won't I? This is perfect fit, actually. It's not going to fit in the smaller one, but I think I'm going to do just fine in this one. Perfect. Yeah. That's what she's going to be running on, boys and girls. Wow. And these are brand new, guys. Check them out. Kevin over at CNHL, 3200, Black Series, CNHL. They're nice. I mean, I ain't even ran these one yet, but I can assure you, they're nice. For a fact, this thing's nice. Like, seriously, oh, get out. This is nice, guys. It looks way better. It's got that slipper in there now. Yeah. Oh, that feels looser and juicy. You got the new, they finally put the new, yeah, they're in there with the writing. Say Rlaarlo on the drive act. That is cool, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that down in there. That's a pretty cool little touch, in my opinion. Where's it at? Right there. You see that? Look at that. Yeah, even the length and everything. That is a nice little touch, y'all. Obviously, you guys know the deal, man. 45 amp ESC. They did this, though. This is nice. This looks like a Dumbo. This looks a lot like a Dumbo, honestly. Look at that. There's that bad boy. Got the nice new controller setup. This was a must. This right here to do away with all these things. They came with the corbel. They came with these things. Man, no. Yeah, same controller, same daggone contraption come with this. The corbel. I mean, yeah. So Rlaarlo, awesome that you are stepping up from this to this. I mean, another thing I want to say about this company, you guys, you might not like, oh, it's Chinese, overseas country, or whatever you want to call it, company. These guys listen to what you tell them. Like, they listen. I mean, oh, the battery gets you an extra foam pad in there, so it ain't getting rubbed on the bumps. They listen, y'all. I mean, there's a slipper clutch in there. You guys, you can see it right there. There it is. Is my grub screw sticking out? Yes, it is. So there's going to be a problem if you get your lipo. Oh, no. They got the lipo moved up here. So if you go back past this at all, you would have a problem, but you don't because the battery tray is any dog bones sticking out like RC Guy Garage was complaining about. No, I don't think I got a problem with my dog bones sticking out on one side. And even, yeah, it might a little bit, actually. It does come out. No, that's bad I'm feeling. Nope, it's good. Don't stick out. Look at this thing, guys. Boys and girls, but this is not my truck, so this is actually my 4-year-old boy's for Christmas, and I'm debating on whether to give it to him now and do a review, or whether I'm just going to do this little short review here in the basement, and y'all are going to wait till after Christmas to see this thing run. I'm not sure. My wife said I can go ahead and give it to him if I want, but we're going to see. This is nice to see. Part numbers and stuff wrote right on the covers. This thing nice, guys. I mean, it is. It feels nice. It looks nice. I mean, we're gonna see how nice it is. And I got something else for here. Let's just see here. Let's see how big. See if these are too big or not. See if he's gonna work. Check this out. What's this gonna look like? Wow. Yep, we're gonna do that once. Try that out. Them are big, though, ain't they? Yeah, they're a little big, but who cares, right? I bet we give them a shot. I don't know. Maybe not. Them are kind of, yeah, them are big, boy. Hell with it, though, right? I mean, why not? So there it is. I'm not even going. You guys know what's in here. Big bag of parts and stickers, and yeah, you know the drill. So I'm not even gonna bore you all with that, but. Well, guys, it's like this. If I decide to give it to him, you're going to see it soon. If I decide not to give it to him, you're going to see it at Christmas time. I just wanted to get it out there and do a quick opening on this thing and get my opinion on it. Not that my opinion means shit to anybody else, but I wanted to check it out. So, yeah. I think it's going to be a little ripper for real, especially on the 3S packs. And, yeah, she is going to be a ripper. My radio will probably come out anyway because that'll probably go to a GT5 just so it, yeah. Just goes. But there it is. Like, comment, subscribe. Guys, if you like the channel, I mean, we're doing a lot of crazy stuff here, and it's not going to stop anytime soon. Christmas is coming, so I can assure you, it's the Outcast on 12S is nuts and all, but I'm pretty sure it's going to get even crazier here real soon. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and tell your friends, spread the word, and keep coming back for more. And here's a little sneak peek of this to y'all. Boom, that's just the giveaway stuff I told you was coming. The code 118 for the giveaway, wallet, the smart wallets, the BASHERQUEEN carbon fiber kit with the center brace. I mean, and this ain't even all, guys. I got a whole nother box sitting right here. Okay, say, there's this stuff. Here's a whole nother box full of the giveaway stuff, guys. Pyro Nitro stuff for the giveaway, another wallet, money clip, another money clip. It's happening, y'all. Tell your friends, big giveaway. And CNHL, Kev sending me over a battery pack for this giveaway. RC Lipo sending over a battery pack for this giveaway. It is huge, y'all. Spread the word.